Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the best beauty insights, one product at a time. If you've ever tried to create salon-quality acrylic nails at home, you know it can be tricky to find the right products. Today, I'm going to be reviewing Young Nails Nail Liquid, a professional-grade monomer that's designed to work seamlessly with acrylic powders for a flawless finish. So, let's see if this product lives up to the hype and helps you get those perfect nails right at home. Young Nails Nail Liquid is a fast-drying, professional-grade monomer designed for use with acrylic nail powders. It comes in a generous 32 fluid-ounce bottle, which is perfect for at-home nail enthusiasts or professionals who need a reliable monomer for consistent results. The liquid is free of MMA, methyl methacrylate, making it a safer option for your nails. It's also low odor and non-yellowing, which is a huge plus for anyone who's sensitive to strong smells or wants to avoid that dreaded yellowing over time. Now let's talk about how this product performs. I used it as part of my own at-home acrylic nail routine, pairing it with my favorite acrylic powders. And the first thing I noticed was how quickly it dried. It didn't leave any excess liquid pooling around the nail, which can sometimes happen with slower drying formulas. This made the application process so much easier, especially when I was building up layers or doing detailed designs. The low odor formula is a major bonus too. If you've ever used other monomers, you'll know the strong chemical scent can sometimes make the whole process unpleasant, but this one kept the smell at bay, which made my entire experience much more enjoyable. The liquid consistency is also perfect for those who prefer a slightly thicker monomer for more control during application. It didn't flood the cuticles, which can often cause a mess when you're working with a more fluid product. I was able to sculpt and shape the acrylic with ease, and the final result was smooth, shiny, and clear. No yellowing even after several days of wear. As for performance over time, the nails stayed strong and intact without lifting or cracking, even after some heavy-duty activities like typing and doing dishes. I didn't experience any unexpected changes in the finish or color, which is always a concern with lower quality products. The fact that it's MMA-free is also a big plus for those who are cautious about using products with harsher chemicals that can damage the natural nail. Of course, no product is perfect. The only downside I noticed was that it's a bit on the pricier side, especially compared to some drugstore alternatives. But considering the quality and professional-grade performance, I would say it's worth the investment if you're serious about your acrylic nails. The large 32-ounce bottle means it should last quite a while, so you're definitely getting your money's worth in terms of longevity. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sturdy and well-designed. The bottle is a decent size and easy to use, with a secure cap to prevent any spillage. I also appreciate the fact that it's low in odor, which could be a deciding factor for those with sensitive noses or those who prefer a more pleasant nail session. If you're considering alternatives, there are cheaper options out there, but I wouldn't necessarily recommend skimping on the monomer. Some lower-cost alternatives may contain MMA, which can be harmful to the nails over time. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, you might consider checking out brands like Kiara Sky or Mia's Secret, which also offer good quality monomers, though the performance might vary slightly. So, does Young Nails Nail Liquid live up to its professional-grade promises? Absolutely. It offers great value for money if you're committed to getting salon-quality nails at home, and it ticks all the boxes when it comes to performance, safety, and ease of use. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this monomer should definitely be in your nail kit. Before I wrap up, if this review helped you out, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our beauty content. Your support helps us continue bringing honest reviews like this one to help you make informed choices. If you've tried Young Nails Nail Liquid, let me know what your experience was like in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.